Oh, Beulah land, sweet Beulah, that's where I wanna be. Oh, motherland, my father. Ooh, I saw a vision of a Rasta man beckoning out to me. He said, gather your brothers and sisters from the dark corners of the earth. And if they're living in America, or even in my homeland, Jamaica, the brothers them that suffer in South Africa, even in Australia down under, tell all the buffalo soldiers, prepare themselves for war.